Hi, handsome. Mwah. Would you like some apples? Oh my goodness, yes. Yes. Looks like you two have gotten into a ding-ding again. Silly boy. Why you guys gotta fight? Such a handsome boy. Our show boy. Yeah. That's good stuff. So what do you think? Are you tracking that we're getting a new girl? You're like, where'd Mom go? Mom's taking your buddy for a walk. Yeah, I know. She's taking him for a walk. He's probably coming around the other way to get his apples. Oh, we gotta go check it out. Where'd he go? And there's a handsome boy. He's frustrated because Mommy's taking Poncho out for a walk, or Mac Daddy. So he's checking to see where he's at. Apples, don't we, buddy? Oh, yeah. Num nums. Mom, you gotta try these. These are good. He spoils me good. Yeah, and you made it so that we got video of Alexander running, didn't we?
Whoa. I was surprised I heard him. I was taking him out for grass.
Yes. I'll give you some apples, but I can't give you all. I gotta give some to Alexander. He kind of got interrupted, didn't he?
I heard his hooves pounding.